Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Girly. Today I'm going to talk about my new skincare that I've been trying before. It is Som by Me SNAIL TRUECICA Miracle Repair Toner. This toner has been a hype for a while from Som by Me, and I can't wait to share with you the result because I've been trying this for 2 weeks. So if you want to know what I thought about this product, please keep watching. I still have the box here. SNAIL TRUECICA Miracle Repair Toner is made from black snail 90% and also Truecica 10,000 ppm. So it's supposed to improve your skin vitality, dual function cosmetics, and also it's a low pH toner. The black snail Truecica complex will revitalize your skin. So it's made from a lot of ingredients that is also familiar in a Korean skincare brand such as Snail Secretion Filtrate. There's been a hype in Korean skincare for a while now. Also niacinamide, which is my favorite ingredient, and there's also Centella asiatica extract and other leaf water and leaf extract that's made from flower extract too. Also skin friendly ingredients. So that is why most of these Korean skincare have this skin-friendly ingredients that is made from a flower extract or leaf extract. I guess because they are really focusing on hydrating their skin or anything instead of other problems. That's why the skincare is made a lot of from leaf extract and flower extract, because it's actually most hydrating. Based on my experience trying out Western skincare and Korean skincare, the Western is more focused on a problem which like wrinkles, like acne and stuff like that, but the Korean is more focused on the hydration, on moisturizing your skin and making your skin plumper, which is why I recommend you to try Korean skincare if you haven't tried yet, because it's really actually focused on the skin, more on hydration instead of a certain problem. But if you are having a certain problem, probably you can choose a Western skincare. It has a tube packaging, which is, I personally feel it's way easier to use because I love this pump, and since it's very liquid, having a pump is going to make it easier and more hygienic compared to the pipette one. And although it's made from plastic, it is strong enough and it doesn't break when it falls, which is, I accidentally dropped this a lot. Also the lid or the closure is very quick. Very convenient. So how I use this is, I use this every morning. I take probably 3 pumps and rub it on my hand and just kind of rub it on my skin like this. Every morning, this is I use this as a prep toner before I put any other skincare. I use this to prep my skin after I wash my face and pat it dry. I use this to kind of like prep my skin, and actually it gives a nice hydration onto your skin. You can see it's a bit having hydration, and I can feel that niacinamide is working, which is giving me a subtle glow and making my skin feels hydrated. And after 2 weeks of using this, I use this every morning for 2 weeks. I feel like my skin feels more hydrated than compared to I don't use this. I've said on my Instagram that this could be the toner that replaced my favorite Pyeongkang Yule toner. I've made a review about it too. You can check on the description box. And yes, I feel like this can replace my favorite Pyeongkang Yule as a prep toner. Actually, I've always preferred to put on toner with hands instead of contact, because I feel like it works better, especially if it's a hydrating toner, because it's kind of like absorb onto your skin way better. Also, I feel you can see the subtle glow like this. This is also a nice effect of the Som by Me SNAIL TRUECICA Miracle Repair Toner, because I actually love this kind of look from Korean skincare. Most of Korean skincare that I use always give this subtle glow and this kind of finish, which is what I love about them. It's gonna feel a bit bubbly when you apply it on your skin, but it's not really that bad bubbly. It's just small little bubbles that is going to wipe out after it dries. Also, it doesn't smell that strong. I thought it's gonna be smell like snail or something, but it doesn't smell anything like snail. Instead, it smells, I think, from the flower extract, it smells good but not too strong. And I love that kind of thing on a skincare, not too strong. If you are having a problem with a dry skin, if you are struggling with a dehydrated skin, I definitely recommend this, because this is giving a good preparation hydration, you know, a good situation where you prep your skin and you need a little hydration onto your skin before you put on other skincare. And of course, I recommend you to use another skincare if you need more hydration, because this is just not enough to moisturize your skin. You gotta seal all the moisture in. You gotta make your skin more hydrated than just using this. That's why you gotta combine this with other moisturizer. I personally don't combine this with others because I did not have a problem with dry skin or whatsoever. My skin is oily and this just gives enough hydration. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps for you who are going to try SNAIL TRUECICA Miracle Repair Toner. Don't forget to like if you enjoy and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.